All right, so for the next exercise, still gonna stay on the lat pull down. We're gonna add in just a small variation. So I'm gonna pull down the lat with the lat, get here, and when I come, now I'm gonna add a row into it, okay? One side at a time, okay? So you'll see what I do here. Setting up, tuck down, pull. Now, once I get to this level here, I'm gonna take my right arm, I'm gonna try to drive the elbow down past my side like so. So right here, everything is activated, locked in. Pulling one arm, stretch it out, and reset, go again. Here, now left side. Pull it down. Isolating one side at a time. Rowing, stretch. Chest up, get that elbow down, try to get it down past your side. Like you're trying to tuck your elbow into your back pocket. Squeeze. One more each side. And that's the first warm-up set there. Things to remember, always keep tension on the lats. Don't try to just pull it from here up top, because then all you're doing is just rotating the bar. There's no tension on the lats or anywhere on the upper back. But when you pull here and contract, now there's tension. Now I can rock and squeeze and bring that elbow in and get that side contraction that we want, all right?